Hello, thanks for checking into our Rocky Ridge Auto channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a remote battery in a 2022 new style Mitsubishi Outlander and other Mitsubishi keys similar to this style. This key does not unlock the car. The LED light does light up, and we see this sometimes where the light will light up, but sometimes even though that LED does light up, it just doesn't have a strong enough signal to talk to the car to tell it to unlock or lock. So let's replace this battery. So basically this little tab here releases the emergency key. This emergency key is important in case you can't get into the car. You can still unlock the door with this, and if the car battery is also dead or only dead, you can jump start it by popping the hood once you're in the car and jump starting it. Also, if this key does not, it's got a push button start. If this does not start it, you can take this key and push it right to the push button on the dash. With your foot on the brake, it will start. It'll sense the signal inside here. So let's replace this battery. So these tabs here, if you can kind of get in here and kind of just twist with a little screwdriver, it pops this open. Oops. There you go. Once that pops open, we have access to the key guts. So this is your circuitry. You want to be real careful with this that you don't scratch anything here or damage anything here. And this is our battery. This battery is a 2032. I love these Murata batteries. They're basically an off-brand Sony. They work great. So let's pop out the old. Very important to put it back in the same exact place. So in other words, the negative is this side, and the positive is this side. And it shows you that. I don't know if you can see right there. It shows you how that's supposed to go. So we will change this out. Put the new battery in. These days the hardest thing is opening up the new package. Bear with me a second. So there we go. So this key, apparently I think the actual original key was in upside down. According to this picture here. Yeah, let me make sure about that. There we go. And that's it. Please follow our page for more helpful tips.